This is how to use stickers to do illustration or to point at different areas on your videos during your online tutorials. Let's see how it is done. So this is how you use arrow or stickers to demonstrate or to show a particular point in your tutorial or in your videos. If you want to highlight or show a particular spot in your videos, you use stickers to do that. So there are a wide variety of stickers you can use. Let's just go to CapCut and start the process. So you open your CapCut and tap on new project. Alright, so let's just pick any video at random that I want to be using for that illustration. So let me just pick this video.
So we'll just head over to CapCut.
Okay. Alright, so this video is a very long video. Let me see how many minutes. 3 minutes video. So I will just cut this video to like a minute long or a few seconds long, so that we'll use that. Okay, so a minute. Alright, let me still reduce the volume so that it will not interfere. Okay, so let me play the video. Alright, at least the video is moving. Okay, so let me go back. So what you do is, if you want to highlight any particular spot on this video, because is an ongoing video and you want to be highlighting some points as time goes on, test under this dashboard, click on test. Then while the video is playing, if there's any particular point you want to show to your students, you just pause the video there, then click on this sticker. Alright, there are a whole lot of stickers, but those ones you will see arrow pointer, or like that one that you used to highlight a click. You will see most of them under this place. Yes, so if you want to cycle anything, you can use this, you put it here, then you now resize it, or you use it, you adjust it to fit exactly where you want it to be. Okay, I still want to extend it more, so you come, you see it's still on that particular spot, you extend it further to where you want it to. So let me go back and play it. Alright, so you see it's highlighting where I want everybody to fix their gaze. So if that is what I want, then I go further. So let's assume, let me pause it again. Let me take it back and pause. Okay, at this point, let me want to assume I want to highlight a particular video that I want to pick from this gallery. So I will also play it. When I've seen it, I pause it, then I go back to that same sticker, Okay, so let's assume I don't want to cycle this time. I want to use an arrow or a click icon. So I can pick on this click icon. I'll adjust it to match the size. Then let's assume I want to say this is the video I want. I'll just put it on that same spot and click. Then let me play it. Okay, so it's indicating that that's the video I want to choose. So you see that the time span for that particular click has elapsed, but the video is still playing. So you just wait and you adjust it to match the size. So since the video is still playing, I can say adjust it to the end. Then let me play it back. Alright, so that one is indicating that that's the video of choice that I want to pick. That's for click. So let's assume I don't want to use this one. Say I want to use an arrow. Instead of that click, I can remove it. I can just remove it and use arrow. So I'll go back to sticker again, come down and pick sticker. So let's assume I want to use this red arrow. So I can also adjust and put it there. You click, then you go back and play it. So I can say extend it to the end of that particular size. So let's see. Okay, so the arrow is indicating that this is my focus, this is the point. All right, so if I still do not want that, I can remove it and go back to sticker and select any one of my choice. So let's assume I want to use another one. Let's say I want to use this one. So that's just how you use arrows and pointers. Don't worry to play. Let me just move it forward. So let me play it now. Let me go back and play it. So you can extend it to any length. So to extend it, just click on that particular icon, this arrow, click on it, touch it, then you can drag it, extend it by dragging. Just drag it to any length you want. If you want to shorten it, or if you want it to expand, or anyhow. Then if you want to increase the size, you can just use 2 fingers to adjust. You can resize it, expand it, reduce it, you can rotate it, just using your 2 fingers to touch it, provided you first of all highlight it under. At this bottom, you just touch it, it means anything you are going to do is on that particular sticker. And so that's just it. So this is how you use arrows or stickers rather to do demonstration, to point to a particular area of your video you want your audience to put their gaze, because when you are doing a video, most times there are so many areas on your board or your dashboard or your screen that might distract your audience. So if you want them to fix their gaze or their attention at a particular spot, you use all these stickers to draw their attention. So with that, you keep your audience fixed and focused to what you are saying, and it will help them to follow along quickly. So this is how you use stickers to highlight points in your videos. I hope you got value for this video. If yes, please give this video a like. You can share it to as many people in your contact, and don't forget to follow this account for more daily updates.